Brush Art.
J is for goat with a beard so neat, climbing up the mountains, looking for a treat. Munch, munch, munchies goes the goat so loud, jumping up high, feeling so proud. H is for hedgehog, tiny and round, rolling in the grass, making a rustling sound. With quills on its back, it's ready to play, hiding in a ball at the end of the day. I is for iguana, green and cool, sitting on a tree like a king on a stool. Its tail is long and it loves to bask under the warm sun, wearing nature's mask. Let's colour them bright, let's make them shine with Gibs Brush Art. It's colouring time. Goat, hedgehog, iguana. Oh, what fun! Learning the alphabet, one by one.